letter is like this. I, Mridula Sinha, Governor of Goa, hereby appoint Sri Manohar Parrikar as the Chief Minister of the State of Goa. He will assume office from the date he is administered the oath of office and secrecy. How can they can
incumbent Chief Minister and the letter written and authenticating that letter? All these things should be expunged.
No, already I said the going in the records.
Explain, sir. How can it? This is related to Home Department. Say, he is our guardian. He is a guardian of the democracy. He has to safeguard it. What is this? It is he can respond afterwards, but you can't expunge, sir, like that. Then we need not speak anything. Then, what is this? Sir, there were 4 preferences. One is, the first is the group of parties which had pre-poll alliance commanding the largest number. One option. The larger single party staking a claim to form the government with support of others. Third, a post-electoral coalition with all partners joining the government. The fourth is a post-electoral alliance with some parties joining the government and the remaining, including the independents, supporting the government from outside. तो ये जो चीजें हैं, इसमें एक में भी वो आते नहीं थे। नो नहीं आते, लेकिन इसके बावजूद उनको वहां इनवाइट किया गया और जोड़ तोड़ के वह मिनिस्ट्री बनाने के लिए उनको कहा गया और यहां तक कहा गया कि रातों रात
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर। एक मिनट सर, ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ लोकसभा खड़गे जी बहुत अनुभवी है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड है और 8 बार वहां विधानसभा में रह चुके हैं, 9 बार रह चुके हैं, 9 बार रह चुके हैं। उनको कर्नाटक वापस जाने के लिए मौका नहीं मिला, इसलिए हमारे ऊपर बरस रहे हैं। सर, इफ यू सी रूल नंबर 352 subsection 5, sir, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in proper terms. Sir, we are having a discussion on the demand for grants for the Ministry of Home, and Kharge ji started, of course, with wrong numbers being dialed and spoken in this August House about various items in the demands for grants. But that's okay. But I don't understand, sir, how come he has started his discussion on the conduct of the Honorable Governor of Goa, Manipur and other states, sir. You have been continuously reminding him. That the Honorable Speaker's ruling is there while he tried to move the adjournment motion on this issue. And you also gave twice your own ruling that he cannot discuss. And you also very clearly gave a ruling that whatever he has spoken on this issue should not be on the record of the House. Despite that, he is continuously repeating the same thing, sir. Through your kind self, I urge the Honorable Leader of the Opposition to restrain himself and continue and conclude his speech on the demand for grants. Sir, he has taken more time.
I will take care of that.
More than his party's time, sir.
आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने मीरठ के भाषण में कहा कि पाकिस्तान की धरती पर हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया, मतलब वो पीओके नहीं रहा, भारत ने अपना अधिकार भूल लिया। इसका प्रश्न का जवाब निशिकांत जी आपको देना होगा।